Hello everyone, my name is Hamid Ghulam Rezai or Ghulam Reza. I am from Guri Architecture Academy. Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about AI in architecture. Currently, one of the most powerful plugins that we use for rendering projects is plugin called Veras, which is installed on Sketchup, Rhino and Revit software. The images you are viewing are the results obtained from the plugin in the SketchUp software. These results are taken with AI. Its outputs are very creative but not practical. Our conclusion is that AI is good, but we must know that AI is its early stages. And AI will definitely become much stronger and will help us in various areas of architecture. But currently, it needs to be improved, and the accuracy of human work is still a priority.